Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. So, pretty easy job. We're going underneath a 2009 Scion Xb doing the blower motor. Just 3 screws. One here, and then one back there. Right now I'm disconnecting the resistor, make it easier to get out. Push this tab to get it out back there. And then the blower motor connector also right here. Also has a tab. So we're just pushing the tab in to release it. Pull it out of the connector. I pulled this out as well, out of this hole right here. So it's the same with this other one. I haven't pulled it out. It's connected to the blower motor. So looks like an 8mm will work here probably. I'm expecting to find a mouse in here because it stinks when the blower motor's running. I'm assuming it's dead too. We're just gonna fall out here. Ugh. Oh, a whole family even. That's sad. That's removing your blower motor on your 2009 and just lift it back up and bolt it in place. Very easy to do.